Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another health lesson. We are going to move on from the body systems for now. So, no more learning about different body systems for the meanwhile. Instead, today, we are going to learn how to do something more interactive and, in my opinion, is really fun. This is called Nutrition IX. So, what you see right now in the screen is the website for Nutrition IX. Nutrition IX is a website that helps you estimate how much sugar, protein, calories, potassium, all that good stuff, how much of that is in different types of foods, snacks, and drinks. So, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use the website. First of all, I'm gonna teach you how to access the website, and then I'm going to teach you how to use it. Alright, so if you clicked on the link on the health assignment instructions, it should have taken you to this website right here called nutritionix.com. If not, all you have to do is type www.nutritionix.com and then it's going to take me to the same website. Alright, so what do you do in this site? So I am going to search up certain foods or drinks, and I need to find out exactly what is in these foods or drinks. How much sugar am I eating? Am I taking enough protein? Am I getting the proper nutrients that I need? Let's find out. So for example, when you search a food, you are going to go right here. You're going to see the top corner. It says search food database. You are going to look for that box in the homepage. You click on that box and then you type whatever food, snack, or drink you want to search up. I am going to start off by searching some apples. So I am going to type apples. So a lot of apples came out, but I'm only going to search one. So I'm going to search the top one that says apples. I'm going to click on it. And then once you click on it, it is going to take you to this site now. It's going to take you to this site with a box with a bunch of numbers. This box is called the nutritional facts. And you can see this label behind any food or drink item. We will discuss more of this later on. But for today, I want you to focus on this, highlighted in the green, sugars. I want you to focus on that today. So I want you to know exactly how much sugar you are consuming. So 19 grams of sugar could be a lot, but there is good sugar and there's bad sugar. Obviously, we know that apples are good for us, right? So they must carry good sugar for us. And your body does need some sugar. Not too much, but it does need sugar. So we know that one whole apple has 19 grams of sugar. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad. But I don't just want to search apples. I want to search some other items as well. Okay, let me search up some fruit snacks. So I could also search up fruit snacks. So I search up fruit snacks. I choose let me put some Welch fruit snacks because I love the Welch fruit snacks. All right, they're right here. So same thing, the box comes out. The nutritional facts box, and I look for sugars. Here it is. I have 17 grams of sugar. Okay, that could be a lot just because we know that these things are like half fruit, half candy, right? So could be good, could be bad. I want to search more stuff. How about we search up a drink this time? So let's see how much sugar there is in a Gatorade. So Gatorade. So in a Gatorade, I click on the Gatorade. One Gatorade about this big has 13 grams of sugar. Not too bad, right? But might not be the best thing for us to drink. However, it has 13 grams of sugar. Let's search up one more before you go on your own. Now let me search up a whole food. Maybe a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Let's search up how much sugar there is on a cheeseburger. Is there any sugar on a cheeseburger? Let's find out. Let's look for our sugars on our nutritional facts. And sure enough, sugar is right here. There is not that much sugar in a burger, which is definitely a good thing. It all depends what our burger is made of, right? All right, so I just searched up 3 things for you. I did an apple, I did fruit snacks, 4 things. An apple, fruit snacks, I did a Gatorade bottle, and a cheeseburger. Now I want you to play around with this website. I want you to search up any food that you want. It could be a hamburger, it could be a hot dog, it could be some snacks, it could be some trail mix, it could be a soda, it could be some coffee, whatever you want. Just have fun with the website. Just know that for next week, we will be focusing again on the sugar. So therefore, I really want you to get familiar with this website. So search up whatever you want. I'm going to do some water to end this video. I'm going to assume that there is no sugar in water, and sure enough, there is no sugar in water. So search up whatever you want to search up. Have fun with the website. Okay. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out access the website. This is a really fun website, but it has a lot of important information. All right, boys and girls, there is no health assignment for you to turn in. Just have fun with the website, keep exploring it, keep searching different foods and drinks, and be ready for next week's health lesson. All right, boys and girls, have a good one. Hope this all worked. Take care. Bye-bye.